Hi guys! So today I'm going to do the discussion on the ethics of cybervetting. So the prompt that I had was in agreement that the practice of cybervetting job applicants and employees is indeed ethical and necessary in today's workplace. So why do I think cybervetting is ethical? So social media monitoring and job decision making by the employer generally is moral if the information is directly related to job performance and consent is also obtained, or if the information is truly public. And then going back on more ethical theories, the utilitarian theory is measuring and weighing the consequences. And the result of cybervetting appears to be that there are more good consequences than bad, and allowing the employer to make in a legal manner employment determinations based on the job applicant's postings and communication on social media. So there are better outcomes than bad if the employer is cybervetting. Why cybervetting is necessary. So online information is easily available and accessible, and it offers more multi-dimensional perspective. So it's not just, the resume or application. There's more like who is the person, who is the employer as a whole. Employers consider conventional sources inadequate because they are unavailable, questionable, or insufficient. And these two reasons help employers manage uncertainty. The absence of online information may become as problematic as the presence of red flags. So if the employer doesn't have any information about them online, then it's definitely a little sketchy, and the employer might consider that as not sufficient or questionable. So yeah, and this is my works cited.